Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Canva for creating project timeline visuals. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Canva website at www.canva.com. On the home page, locate the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button. You will have multiple options to register. You can use your email address or sign up with Google, Facebook, or Apple. If you choose to sign up with email, enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password and enter it in the password field. After filling in your information, click on the Get Started button. If you opted for Google, Facebook, or Apple, select the respective icon and follow the prompts to connect your account. Once registered, you may be prompted to complete your profile. Provide any necessary details to enhance your Canva experience. You will then be directed to the Canva dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the search bar at the top. Type Project Timeline into the search bar and press Enter. Browse through the available templates for creating project timelines. Select a template that fits your project needs by clicking on it. You will now enter the editing interface. Here, you can customize the timeline with your own text, colors, and images. Use the toolbar on the left side to add elements like icons, shapes, and illustrations. Adjust the layout and design according to your vision. Once you are satisfied with your project timeline, click on the Download button in the upper right corner. Choose your preferred file format from the options provided. Finally, click the Download button to save your timeline to your device. You are now ready to share your project timeline visuals with others. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.